Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber. Welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of Waxmas. So you can see we've got a very deep-seated blockage here, very similar to what we had in yesterday's video, but I think what's happened here is the patient did have quite a substantial blockage. Used some olive oil which has softened the wax, but it's flowed backwards, so it's actually stuck really deep in the canal, so just on top of the eardrum. So you can see it's very wet. Patients are using lots of drops in here to try and soften this up and trying to shift it. When the wax is this deep though, it can't migrate out. The mechanism for migrating the wax out isn't there. So it means that with this type of wax problem where it's covering the eardrum, the only way you're going to get this out is by having it physically removed. So you can see we've cleared a good 2/3 of the eardrum there. All very soft stuff, so all getting sucked inside the ulnar tube. Just trying to get to this bottom section. We've talked before about this valley just in front of the eardrum. We can see we've got some wax just visible just above the ridge of that valley. So I'm using the suction tube just to try and gently probe that out. But you can see it's proving difficult to get the angle I need. If we tilt the camera up a little bit, you can see it. So we're going to use the fine end now. And what you'll see is when we start to remove this, when we get a grip on this section, you'll see just how much was hidden down there. So as we just aim to get the grip here, just slowing the video down now so you can see this coming away. You can see just how much of that came away there. So a very deep-seated piece sitting just over the edge of that valley there. You can see we've got some little ridge of wax, so just get rid of that. This is remnants. As we pull that deeper piece away, you'll get these remnants just adhering to that ridge of bony outgrowth on the canal wall. A little bit of wax stuck to the roof, so we're just going to get rid of that now. Obviously we've still got the fine end on at the moment, which is it's great for doing delicate work, but if you're trying to clear a big section, as we can see, it's starting to pull down into a bigger piece. We're better off switching now to the standard size ulnar tube. Just got that wider end on there, helps to get a lot more wax sucked in one go. You can see how quickly that clears there compared to using the fine end. So we're just going to take a few of these pieces away. There we go. There's a little bit here just at the top there. We'll just suction some of that away. There we are, and we can see the eardrum there. So you can see a little bit of a mottled colour to the eardrum, so a little bit dull. You can get that following middle ear fluid or slight retraction to the eardrum as well. So this is the patient's other ear. Now, hasn't had any problems with this side. Hearing was perfectly normal, but you can see little gaps there above the wax itself, but one large blockage here on the outer part of the ear canal. So we're just going to detach the sticky section there at the front. Just slow this down so you can see what's going on. There we go, and out that comes. You can see it was just going into the canal a little bit there. And we've got a little bit of debris around the outside edge here. A little bit of dry skin and that soft little bit of wax just there as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pass backwards over this, because if we push forward, sometimes it runs the risk of digging into the canal. You can see we've got this little flap of dry skin that's lifting. There we are. So we're just going to, if we pull from the back to the front with this, it's got a better chance of tearing this off without it flicking up and whistling for the patient as well. There we go. We'll just take those pieces from the outside edge, and there's the eardrum there looking a little bit grey. So a lot of this got sucked inside the machine, so you can actually see this is the remnants of that large piece that came out of the second ear, and this is it in inches. And I shall see you tomorrow for day 8 of the 12 days of Waxmas. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.